Hi there, welcome back to Hachinana Culture Japan. I'm Hayachi coming to you from Japan. Today, I'd like to talk about one of the most important sounds of summer in Japan. Cicadas, semi. If you visit Japan in summer, maybe you already know this sound. It is loud, very loud. Sometimes it feels like the trees themselves are screaming. In Japan, summer does not begin quietly. It begins with sunlight, heat, humidity, and the sound of cicadas. When you walk outside in the morning, they are already there. In parks, on trees, near schools, and almost everywhere. They sing as loudly as they can. Some people might think, what is that noise? And honestly, I understand that feeling. Even for Japanese people, cicadas can be annoying, especially when it is too hot, especially when you just want a quiet morning. But without cicadas, Japanese summer would feel incomplete. Their sound is like summer background music. Not beautiful background music, not relaxing background music. More like, wake up! It is summer! You cannot escape! When I was a child, cicadas were not just sound. They were part of summer vacation. Many children in Japan try to catch cicadas. You take an insect net, look up at the trees, and listen carefully. But cicadas are not always easy to catch. They are loud, but they can hide very well. You think, it must be right there, but when you get close, you cannot see it. And then suddenly, it flies away. Sometimes, it flies toward your face. This is not romantic. This is a small summer horror story. Still, cicadas are connected to summer memories. The insect net, the hot afternoon, the sound of cicadas above your head, and the feeling that summer vacation would last forever. Japanese people also notice cicadas shells. You can find them on trees and walls. They look like empty little monsters. As a child, finding one felt like treasure. In Japan, there are different kinds of cicada sounds. Minminzemi feels like the middle of summer. Aburazemi makes the heat feel even stronger. Near the end of summer, one sound feels especially emotional. Tsukutsuku boshi. When Japanese people hear tsukutsuku boshi, they feel that summer is ending. It is still hot, the sun is still strong, but somehow the mood changes. The sound tells you that summer vacation is almost over. For children, that can be a very sad sound because it means unfinished homework. That may be the real horror story of Japanese summer. So yes, cicadas are loud. They can be annoying, and sometimes they attack your face for no reason. But they are also part of Japanese summer. Their sound reminds us of childhood, hot afternoons, parks, trees, and days that felt endless. And when the cicadas become quiet, we know something has ended. That is why cicadas are strange. They are annoying when they are here, but when they disappear, we miss them a little. That is Japanese summer. Loud, hot, emotional, and somehow unforgettable. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you, mata ne.